Hey everyone! Welcome to this introduction and beginner-friendly tutorial on WPS Office, the free, powerful alternative to Microsoft Office. WPS Office is a free, all-in-one office suite developed by Kingsoft. It includes applications for word processing, writer, spreadsheets, presentations, and PDF editing. WPS Office is known for its compatibility with Microsoft Office file formats and its user-friendly interface. It also offers cloud storage, online editing, and a template library. Key features: word processing, writer, supports various document formats, including doc, docx, and RTF. Spreadsheets, compatible with Excel files, XLS, XLSX, and offers a wide range of features for data analysis and management. Presentations, creates and edits PowerPoint-compatible presentations, PPT, PPTX. PDF editing, allows users to view, edit, and convert PDF files. Cloud storage, provides a limited amount of free cloud storage for file sharing and collaboration. Template library, offers a variety of pre-designed templates for different document types. Online editing, enables users to edit documents online in real time with others. Cross-platform compatibility, WPS Office is available for Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, and iOS. WPS Office versus Microsoft Office. WPS goes beyond the basics with a handy feature, PDF editing. PDFs are essential in everyday office work, and with WPS, you don't need a separate PDF editor. Microsoft Office, on the other hand, is somewhat lacking in this area. Though WPS and Microsoft Office have different interface designs, their core functions are quite similar. Personally, I find WPS's interface more modern and user-friendly, while Microsoft Office feels a bit outdated. WPS shines in cloud collaboration. You can easily share documents via links, QR codes, or other devices, enabling real-time editing with different permission levels like view only or edit. On the other hand, Microsoft Office doesn't have built-in collaboration features. When it comes to cost, WPS and Microsoft Office are quite different. WPS mainly offers a free version that covers word processing, spreadsheets, presentations, and PDF reading. However, a subscription is required to use all features. The WPS Pro and WPS AI versions are available as subscriptions. To get a discount on WPS Office, click the link and apply the codes in the description of this video. Next, we'll cover how to use WPS Writer, spreadsheets, and presentation to boost your productivity, whether you're a student, a teacher, or a working professional. Let's start with WPS Writer, which works just like Microsoft Word. Creating a new document. Open WPS Writer and click plus New to start a blank document. You can also choose from templates like resumes, reports, and letters. Editing text. Use the toolbar at the top to change fonts, colors, alignment, and spacing. You'll find familiar tools like bold, italics, and underline, plus paragraph styles. Inserting elements. Use the Insert tab to add pictures, shapes, tables, and page numbers. You can also insert headers and footers, just like in MS Word. Saving and exporting. Save your file in doc, .pdf, or even .txt format. Click File, Export to PDF if you want a clean, shareable version. Next is WPS Spreadsheets, your go-to tool for calculations, data analysis, and tables. Creating a spreadsheet. Open Spreadsheets, click New, and you'll see a familiar grid interface. Enter data into cells by clicking and typing. Basic formulas. Use formulas like equals sum, A1, A5 equals average, or equals if all Excel compatible. The Formula tab provides shortcuts for financial, logical, and statistical functions. Inserting charts. Highlight your data and go to Insert Chart. Choose from bar charts, pie charts, line graphs, and more, great for visualizing trends. Using templates. WPS has free templates for things like budgets, invoices, and calendars. Just click Template at the top right to browse them. Now let's talk about WPS Presentation, which helps you make clean, professional slides. Starting a presentation. Click New, then choose a theme or template. Editing slides. Double-click text boxes to edit titles and content. Add new slides from the Home tab, and choose different slide layouts. Design and animations. Use the Design tab to change backgrounds and color themes. Add animations and transitions to make your presentation more dynamic. Presenting and exporting. Press F5 to start a slideshow. You can export to PPTX or PDF for easy sharing. WPS also includes WPS AI, a smart assistant that can help you summarize text, correct grammar, and even generate content. It's especially useful for writing reports or handling large documents. WPS Office also supports cloud syncing and mobile access. WPS Cloud. You can sign up for a free WPS account to store documents in the cloud. This lets you access your files from your phone, tablet, or another computer. Mobile version. The WPS Office mobile app works on both Android and iOS. Start your free trial or upgrade to a paid plan today or later to enjoy the discount by clicking the URL link in the description of this video. If you like our video, do subscribe, click like, share as the motivation for us to produce more videos.